Wait sa AI tools help you understand. Alright, so we have to make sure na all statements sa iyong questionnaire or sa pool kay nag-focus jud siya sa utilization. Alright? So, nagamit sila sa AI tools. Okay? Then, actually, daghan ra iyong statements, no? 15. Okay, so we have to make sure na kaning 15, wala ganyan siya nag-overlap or wala siya nag-redundant. Okay? So, for now, dali pa dyan nato siya ma-clarify. Like, karon kay we have limited time. Okay? So, kuan lang. We will have a separate session okay, to scrutinize your statements, no? Na na-adjust siya sa, paano siya, wala siya ng redundant. Okay? Kaya medyo dagan naman good siya. What if the same radiation idea sa, for example, number 7 and number 11, the same radiation idea. Example na wala siya po nagbasa. Alright? So, we have to omit, okay, same idea. Alright? So, for dependency on AI tools, same, no? Kay 15 sa inyong present. Alright? So, we have to check this one. Alright? Na wala siya nagbalik-balik na idea. Alright? So, okay rin siya 10 actually. Right? Okay ra sad. Acceptable lang yung 15 if wala siya nagbalik-balik ang idea. Dili siya same idea. Alright? Sige. Okay? Since inyong tool kay na follow naman siya sa ato ang SOP, wala man to siya na-change. So, you have to discuss sa inyong research instrument kung pila ka parts ang nasa inyong research instrument. Okay. Unsa nga na section, unsa yung nasa section. And then, for the other section, unsaon nila pag-answer. And then, yeah, everything should be discussed and described research tool ninyo or instrument sa research methodology. Right? Sige. Question.
None so far, ma'am.
Alright, so that would be all from my part, Sir Villia. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am John. I would like to ask for clarification regarding your scoring procedure. Why scoring and not an interpretation table? Again, do not make me wait. Answer my question. What's your justification for using a scoring procedure and not an interpretation table?
So we use a scoring method, sir, for easy analyzation of the result of our survey and the research instrument, sir.
So, what is your explanation?
We use the scoring method, sir, for the accessible and easy analyzation of our results, sir.
That's all. Wala scientific basis just for convenience. Wala may point of reference. I needed to add an explanation in your research instrument as to why scoring procedure nganong wala mo nganong scoring rate nganong scoring procedure inyo ang gigamit na and add a reference for that so that I would understand nganong ginana and do not give me a reason nga mao isa yun because this is research. We need to use the most credible approach, the most valid approach in. I'm not saying that this is not valid, but I'm just questioning anong kani because normally since survey man to siya nga style, kani mo kung kuan, kani mo guminani gamit na ani mag-test ka. Although applicable po siya, pwede siya ma-apply, but dili siya ingon ana ka conventional. And that is why I need an explanation, no? Or I need it to be added in your research instrument section. Anong score range ang inyong gigamit and not an interpretation table wherein you're going to use the mean or determine the mean and the ST. Okay, so kana lang. As for your title, na siya change, no? Unfortunately, dili po yun yun sa paggamit ninyo sa delineating. In fact, when you answered my questions earlier regarding the use of the word, dili ko sold out. So, just make it sound more scientific, uh, um, or more conventional, not scientific, but more conventional. Let us just let us change the title to just level of utilization and dependency of first year maritime students and so on. Yeah, you have to revise all parts of the paper that mention the previous title. So that's it. At this point, we will now be giving our comments and our verdict as panel of adjudicator. Starting off with Ma'am Marizon.
Alright.
Ma'am Alpantine. Ma'am Alpantine.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sa akong part, approve. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Marizon.
Yes, I also approve of the co-anatomy study, but they have to double tap on their revision, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Likewise, as the chair, no, as the appointed chair of this panel, your proposed study entitled Level of Utilization and Dependency of First-Year Maritime Students in Artificial Intelligence Tools for Academic Tasks is duly accepted. Okay, may I request the group to present once again your research title and take a screenshot of it as proof that you have presented your proposal. Okay, if you're done taking a screenshot, you may now take your leave.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, panels.
Sir,
Okay, goodbye. Wala mo din ako na-acknowledge na mag